After you remove your faceplate, you can see the two screws, the left screw, right screw. The left screw is control hot water flow. This right screw is control cold water flow. So this one is turned down the cold water flow. Yeah. So this can manually set the water flow of cold water flow. This one is the center. Next, this one. You can feel this flush center, the screw flush. So it means it's full on cold water flow. And if you want get lower water flow, get down, so you can turn next this one. This hot, so you can turn down the hot water flow next this one.